YouTube. Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Going to start a new segment. It's going to be called Deals of the Week. Deal of the Week. It's not necessarily going to be weekly though. It's just whenever I come across something I think might be of some interest to some people. It's, you know, it seems to be a very reasonable price and perhaps may not last long. So yeah, we're going to start off with the exciting item of technical wipes. Super exciting, huh? But you know, if you're into technology and you do a lot of soldering and stuff, I mean, these things come in handy. I don't typically buy these things because they're so damn expensive. I usually use rags, but you know, rags leave lint behind. They're not anti-static. You know, there's problems with them, but they're cheap. I actually almost passed this up because it's such a big wipe. If I see, I thought there was some measurements on here for what the size was. It's like 16 by something. Well, I thought the dimensions were on here, but they're not. Yeah, it's like here it is. It's 15 by 16.7. There's 140 per box. These typically run about $7 to $12 a box. That's why I'm saying they're really expensive. But yeah, one thing I was thinking, since the wipe is so big, I can actually cut this up into 2 or 4 or 6 pieces and have, you know, a lot more wipes. So I mean that price goes down drastically once you start cutting them up. And yes, if you cut them up, you do get some lint and stuff. But otherwise you're gonna end up wasting it. The only thing I don't really like about this thing is it's virgin fibers instead of recycled. But I've looked and looked and looked. I can't find any recycled wipes like this under 12 bucks. And I'm not gonna pay that. So yeah, but the good thing about this, it's not actually $7 per box. This is actually $9 plus shipping for 15 boxes. That's ridiculous. That's just an amazing price. I mean, especially if you consider that you can cut these up into smaller pieces. So basically it's $28 with shipping. I mean, the shipping's expensive, but it's quite a large box. It's like 2.5. It's about 2 feet by a foot by a foot, something like that. So it's quite a large box. So and the fact that you're getting, you're basically paying for one box and getting 14 free. If you don't count shipping. So that's awesome. There'll be a link in the description below.